Perhaps Allah made you find this video. Don't ignore it. Maybe this is the sign that you were praying for. So watch this video till the end because this can be a step that changes your life. Are you someone who struggles with negative emotions? In 2025, there is a big problem among Muslims that many Muslims are depressed, anxious, stressed, overthinkers. They have intrusive thoughts. This is not something to ignore because negative emotions suck the joy out of your life. They are really, really painful. With negative emotions, you cannot enjoy the food that you're eating. You cannot enjoy your outings, your vacations, your relationships. You cannot enjoy simple things in life like watching a sunset or sunrise. So this is really, really important. In this video, I'm gonna give you 3 steps to go from negative emotions to joy. First of all, who am I to talk about this stuff? Well, I have been someone who had a really, really hard life in my teenage years. I was someone who was bullied in school. I was someone who was bullied in college. Because of that, I had a really, really bad mental health. I had overthinking, I had intrusive thoughts, I had anxiety, stress, I had panic attacks. I remember heart rate going like 120, 130. My breathing feels heavy because I'm having an anxiety attack. Remember overthinking in so many years in the future. What if this scenario occurs? Then what I'll do? If that occurs, what will I do? If somebody used to stare at me, I used to have a problem with it for days. Like, why did that person look at me? Why did that person say that to me? That sucked the joy out of my life. That is so painful, and I get you. Overthinking will steal your peace. Overthinking will steal your joy and happiness. I remember having intrusive thoughts, bad thoughts that I didn't want my mind to have. But the more I tried to fight them, the louder they became. And maybe you feel this too. You maybe have some thoughts that you do not want to feel, but when you try to fight them, they just, you know, come into your mind more, and it's a constant cycle, and many people are stuck in that, unfortunately. But as they say, things happen for a good reason, and that's what happened. Because I had such a hard life, the pain was so overwhelming that pushed me to study about negative emotions and joy. And I learned things on a deep level, that why I'm not feeling happy and why I can't beat these negative emotions. When I learned about that stuff, that changed my life. This year, I have been the happiest that I've ever been. And I made these YouTube videos, and they have helped many people. My work has been shared across WhatsApp, Telegram, and stuff like that. So, in this video, I'm gonna share with you 3 steps that can change your life, that can make you go from negative emotions to joy. Number 1, rewire your mental loops that keep you in overthinking and stress. Number 2, heal emotional triggers so trauma does not control your reactions. Number 3, build natural patterns that naturally lead you to calm and joy. If you do these things, it will change your life. By the way, I walk you through with my step-by-step 30-day plan to beat overthinking, intrusive thoughts, anxiety, stress, and trauma to having happiness and joy. And I give you 28 keys for happiness in my ebook. You can get the ebook by clicking the link in the description. And have a good day.